my name is Monis. Today I'm going to show you how to make a character that jump in Scratch and move left and right. So first I'm going to teach you how to make the Scratch. First create a new project in Scratch. Okay, and for the example I'm going to leave this default cat sprite, but you can choose any sprite you want. Okay, I'll just rename this the cat. Because it's a cat. And then we'll go to variables. Actually, we'll just make a custom block called move down. Move down. Now you don't want to run without screen refresh. Then to define move down, you're going to make a variable called speed y. For the sprite only, for all sprites. And click OK. And then for inside the we'll change speed y by -1, and then we'll change the y by speed y. Pretty simple. But then we'll grab a Benji flag clicked forever. We'll just grab the move down. And now you'll just basically have gravity. So like this. Okay, but you see it's like when you're just racing towards the ground. You can fix that by Benji click, set speed y to 0. So now if you try, it'll not go like that. Every time you start, it'll not go like that. So then you can make it so that it jumps. You can make a new custom block called jump. Jump. Click OK, it doesn't need to run without screen refresh. To define it, we're going to grab an if statement, and then we're going to grab 2 OR. So we're going to grab 1 OR, then we're going to put another OR, then we're going to grab another OR, like this. So we're going to check for the key space pressed, or the key up arrow pressed, or the key or mouse down, or the key W is pressed. So we'll check for all of those. What we're going to do is we're going to set the speed y to 15, let's say. So, if you run this now, we'll say you didn't use this block. So we'll grab the jump and right after the move down. Now you can see our player will be able to jump as it's falling down. So now you kind of want to like point upward. So you're going to point in your X and grab a plus operator, then grab a multiplication. And then I'm going to say 90 plus, get rid of the multiplication, and do speed y. So if you try this, then it'll be working like this. But you don't want it to go the opposite way. So we're going to go to operator, grab another multiplication, put speed y here, and say -2 here. So if we try this, it'll be working like this. So if you don't want it to hold, then you can just grab a wait until block. If you don't want it to hold, then you can just duplicate this entire thing. And then say, put all of this inside the knot. And that'll prevent you from holding them. Like, even if you hold it just like this. But I don't want that, so I'm going to get rid of it. But if you want, you can just add that. Okay, so next we want to be able to move right and left. So quickly we'll go to direction and set the rotation motion left, right. Okay, run it. Good. It'll not be working, but yeah, this should be working. And you set it all around. Okay, so then we'll grab a Ven green flag collect block in the forever loop under it. We're just going to make a custom block called move left and right. Okay, and then you could define it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab an if statement and grab a key block, change this to right arrow pressed, and then you will grab a change speed y. You'll set this to 1.2 Then you right click and then click duplicate. And then if you key left arrow, then change speed y by negative 1.2. And then we'll grab oh yeah, I forgot. We said this, you need to make a variable called speed x for the spread only. You'll set that variable speed x to 0 with a clean flat click. You'll change this to set speed x instead of speed y for both of these. You'll set speed x to speed x multiplied by 0.85, let's say. Now we'll change the x by, as you may have guessed, speed x. So now if we try this, then our player will not be jumping. So of course, we didn't put this inside the problem. We'll grab the move left and right block and we'll put it inside here. So now if we go to full screen and try it, we should be able to move right and left, as you can see. It's very smooth. It's very cool. It's physics, I guess. It doesn't exactly look like physics, but the jumping is very realistic with the point and direction block. So like if I move here, then like I jump, like see how it naturally point like a hill, and yeah. So if you want, you can quickly just improve the scratch cat. I find it nice if you ungroup this entire scratch cat and then you make the full for the entire thing. So like all of these parts will have go away. Okay, and then all of those will have a full color of, let's say, 55. You can change to anything you want, of course. And then you can just make this entire thingy like pretty much everything with the outline. So select everything with the outline except for that. Oops, we're gonna keep that. And then now we'll set the outline to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think 4 might be a bit too much. 2, okay, 2 is a bit too little. 2, 3. Okay, 3 looks good with the scratch cat. And then you can just rename this part to cat 2. And then if you try it, the cat just looks better. Now this might look like a physics tutorial, but it's not. It's a jumping dice. Just don't happens to be look like physics for some reason. But yeah, that's then. Bye. See you with another video soon. Hope.